Hello ninth graders, I am Ayat Rabaiah. I'm a math teacher in Oxford Schools in the international section. We talk how to find the volume and the surface area of prisms, cylinders and cones. Our lesson today about revision. I'll give you some examples how to find the volume and the surface area of some shapes. Now, suppose you have a cylinder and cone above this cylinder, as you can see here. Now, the question is find the volume of this 3D shape. It's compound, right? Now, let's say this is volume 1, the volume of the cone, V2, the volume of the cylinder. As we know that the rule for the volume of cone, which is 1/3 times pi r squared times the height. R is the radius, which is 4 here, and this is the height of this cone perpendicular, which is 13. Now substitute half times pi 3.14 r squared 4 squared times the height, which is 13. Remember bit mass 4 squared 16 times 13 times 3.14 divided by 3. The solution will be 217.7 inch cubed, because it's a volume. Now volume 2, which is the volume of the cylinder, which is by r squared, the area of the circle times the height. Now by 3.14 times r 4 squared times the height, which is 10. If you multiply them, 4 squared 16 times 10 times the 3.14 will be 500 inch cubed. Now the volume for the whole 3D shape, which is V1 plus V2, which is 217.7 plus 502.4 will be 720.1 inch cubed. Let's take another example. Work out the volume. Look at this 3D shape. I think it's obvious that the cross section or the base, it's a trapezium. Now recall, we took that in 9.1 in this section. How we can find the area for the trapezium? Half times base 1 times base 2 times the height of the trapezium. So this is how we can find the area of trapezium. Now, to find the volume, how we can find the volume? There is a rule. The volume, the area of the base, this is the base, times the height, Now here the base is trapezium. So first of all, you have to find the area for the trapezium. How can I find it? Okay, here, let's find it here. P. For this rule, half times between two brackets, base 1 plus base 2, 10 plus 5 times the height of the trapezium, which is 3. This is 3. Now, bit mass, 10 plus 5, 15 times 3, then times half. The solution will be 22.5 feet squared. It's an area. Now let's back to the volume. Now the base is 22.5 times the height of this one, which is 20. Multiply them. The solution will be 450 feet cubed. So I found the area of the trapezium. I multiplied the area by the height, which is 20. Let's take another example. Find the surface area for this rectangular prism. How can I find the surface area? There is a rule also, which is the surface area. The perimeter of the base times the height plus 2 times the base of one base. Now, this is the base. How can I find the perimeter? The perimeter is, this is a 3, this is a 3, this is 5. The perimeter, you have to add all these sides. So 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5, 3 plus 3, 9. This is 10. I mean 3 by 3, 6 and 10, 16. 16. So the perimeter is 16. Now to find the area of the base, which is length times width, which is 3 times 5. 3 times 5, 15. 15. Let's say this is centimeter, okay? Centimeter. This is centimeter. This is centimeter squared. Now the surface area, the perimeter is 16 times the height, which is 10 plus 2, because there are two bases. Okay. Now the base is 15. Remember with math, 2 times 15, 30. 16 times 10, 160. Then add them, which is 100. This is 160 plus 200. Okay, this is 30. 190 centimeter squared. Thank you for listening and have a good day.